Hey guys, my name's Morgan. I'm going to show you a how-to on how to use your lip cheek. So I already have all my makeup done. My last step is usually my lip cheek. So I have the shade Perfectly Pink. This is what it looks like. It's a really light shade and it matches me perfectly. I'm not super dark. So if you're a darker shade, you might want to get a deeper shade. So I just use my finger to apply it. It goes on perfectly with my finger. I don't like to use a brush because when I use the brush, it kind of rubs in with the rest of my makeup and I don't want to do that. So all I do is just run my finger into it and then I just dab. I just use one finger and I just dab onto my cheekbone. I don't want to rub because then you're kind of rubbing your makeup around and that's just a big no. So you just dab right onto your cheekbone. And you don't need a lot, it kind of goes a long way. And that's really all you do. I don't put anything on top because as you can see, it's kind of a glossy. And then in summer, I like to be glossy and illuminating. In the winter, I might put a powder on top. But in the summer, I like to be glossy and illuminating. So I just leave it at this, and that's really all I do. I might use my fingers that I don't have anything on and just blend it in. But that's really the gist of it. And then to finish the look, I just add a little bit onto my lip. And it's really moisturizing. Feels amazing in the summer. And yeah, that's it. So go enjoy your lip cheek.